Hey, Golden Garden Moments fam, you've planned your holiday, but what about your plants? In this video, we'll cover the complete guide to keep your plants alive while you're away. Bottom watering, self-watering systems, DIY tricks, timing strategies, and backup plans for vacations of any length. Why vacation watering matters. Plants lose water through soil evaporation and leaf transpiration. If not replaced, roots dry out and leaves wilt. Indoor air, especially with air conditioning or central heat, accelerates water loss. Without planning, even hardy plants can suffer within just 5 to 7 days in warm periods. Bottom watering explained. Bottom watering is letting the plant draw water up through the drainage holes rather than pouring from above. This helps moisture reach the entire root zone evenly. Bottom watering steps and tips. Step by step. Separate your plants into water-friendly groups. Use a tray, sink, or tub and add 2 to 3 inches of water. Set your pots with drainage holes just above that water level. Let them soak 20 to 60 minutes, check soil top. Don't leave them sitting forever, roots need air too. Too long equals soggy soil and root rot. Pro tip. Use this method a day or two before your trip and pair it with self-watering for longer absences. Alternative pre-trip waterings. Give plants a deep soak until water drains out of the bottom. This saturates the whole root ball and helps plants last longer initially. Shower method for big plants. Move big plants to a sink or bath and spray until drainage holes release constant water. Then let drain. Self-watering systems for long trips. If you're going to be gone for longer than 5 to 7 days, bottom watering alone usually isn't enough. A. Self-watering planters. These have reservoirs that slowly release water as plants need it. Great for 2 to 6+ weeks depending on reservoir size and pot size. How they work. Reservoir holds water, soil wick draws moisture when dry. B. DIY bottle or spike systems. Fill bottle with water, poke holes, bury neck in soil. Water slowly drips out as soil dries. Makeshift irrigation. Pro tip. Test these a week before you leave. Adjust hole size and time. C. Wicking system. Use absorbent cotton rope from a bucket of water into the plant's soil. Water travels along rope to soil as needed. String systems can work well up to about 10 days. Environmental and setup tips. A. Move to shade and low heat. Plants in direct sunlight dry faster. Moving them to a less bright area lowers water loss. B. Use mulch or pebbles. Cover soil surface with mulch, stones, or sphagnum moss. It reduces evaporation. C. Adjust indoor environment. Lower room temperature slightly, if home. Plants use less water. What not to do. Go through common mistakes. Overwatering before departure, too wet soil equals no oxygen equals root rot. Leaving in direct hot sun, dry soil faster. Assuming one method fits all. Cacti need very different care than ferns. Include real tips from plant parent experiences about mistakes with DIY wicking and bulbs failing if setup is wrong. Plant type strategies. Succulents and cacti. They like drying out. Less watering, maybe just bottom watering before leaving. Tropical leafy plants. Peace lilies, calatheas, ferns, consistent moisture, and maybe self-watering systems. Large outdoor pots. Consider drip irrigation with a timer or ask a friend. Human help and backup plans. Plant sitter. Best option for fragile or expensive plants. Write clear watering and feeding notes. Neighbor help. Great fallback for longer trips. Thanks for watching Golden Garden Moments. Comment how long your next vacation is, and I'll help plan your watering schedule. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tricks.